to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
What is Aroon Indicator? The Aroon Indicator is an analytical tool used to measure the strength of a trend, be it an uptrend or a downtrend and even sideways. This indicator was developed by Tushar-Chand in 1995. This indicator began to be widely used because of its accuracy in identifying the upcoming trend and how strong or weak the trend is. How to read Aroon Indicator. The Aroon Indicator is divided into two cross lines, the upper Aroon or the blue Aroon, namely the Aroon Indicator line that measures the strength of the bullish trend. Down Aroon or white Aroon is an Aroon Indicator line that measures the strength of the bearish trend. The Aroon Indicator scale starts from 0 to 100. There are 4 main levels that must be monitored as a benchmark if using the Aroon Indicator, namely 0, 30, 70, 100. Aroon down. If Aroon down reaches the point 100, the indicator shows the bearish trend is still strong. If the Aroon down indicator fluctuates in the range of 70 and 100, it still shows that the potential for the bearish trend is still strong. If Aroon down fluctuates in the range 0 to 30, it indicates a weakening trend and a trend reversal has the potential to occur. Aroon up. When Aroon up reaches 100, the indicator shows that the bullish trend is still strong. If the Aroon up indicator fluctuates between the 70 and 100 ranges, it indicates a potential uptrend. If the Aroon up value fluctuates between levels 0 to 30, it indicates a weakening trend and a possible reversal. Buy and sell signals. Buy and sell signals from the Aroon indicator are when Aroon up is above and Aroon is down below. This indicates that the bullish momentum is strong. On the other hand, when Aroon down is above and Aroon up is below, it indicates a strong bearish trend. Aroon indicator users must believe that when a strong bullish trend is occurring, the price will tend to form a new high, and as long as a strong bearish trend occurs, the price will continue to form a new low.